We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Marcus Brooks with the CattleFax update. U.S. crude oil production for the week of October 30th averaged 9.16 million barrels per day, a 5-week high. That's roughly 2% larger production than the same week of 2014. In fact, that's larger production than any week in 2014, which peaked at 9.137 million barrels on December 12th. With domestic crude oil production reaching a peak in mid-June of this year, 2016 will turn out to be the first year since 2008 with a year-over-year production decline. CattleFax estimates U.S. crude oil production to total roughly 3 billion barrels this year, versus 3.11 billion last year. The United States has long been the world's third largest producer of crude oil. Tidal revolution in the last 4 years narrowed the production gap between the U.S. and the other top producers. According to data from the Energy Information Administration, in 2011 the U.S. crude production averaged 5.64 million barrels per day. Russia averaged 9.77 million barrels per day that year, making them the top producer, followed by Saudi Arabia at 9.46 million barrels per day. In 2015, the U.S. has averaged about 9.33 million barrels per day, compared to Russia at 10.22 million barrels and Saudi Arabia at 9.81 million. The most recent EIA estimate for global crude oil production was in April at 80.343 million barrels. Over the last 12 months of available global crude production data, average production per day has been 78.77 million barrels. Over the same set of months between 2010 and 2011, average global production was 74.69 million barrels. So from 2011 to 2015, the United States has added roughly 3.69 million barrels into daily production, while the world total added just 4.08 million barrels. It's easy to see how rapidly the U.S. changed the world market for crude oil. U.S. crude oil production will trend lower into 2016, but with an oversupply of product worldwide, expect crude oil prices to remain historically low next year. With the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Marcus Briggs.
The CattleFax segment is brought to you by AgriClear. Buy and sell cattle in the United States and Canada with anyone, anywhere, anytime, with confidence. AgriClear, cattle marketing on your terms. Visit www.agriclear.com.